take. So you can enjoy it with the chapati, idli, dosa, rumali roti, paratha, any naan, etc. Very tasty, and even with the rice you can take it. Hope you will enjoy it. You will make it and then share with your friends. Thank you very much. 1 kilo chicken curry, 40 grams of cooking oil and 10 grams of ghee added. Totally 50 grams of oil plus ghee required. The whole masala, cinnamon, cloves and also cardamom minimum added to it. 3 finely chopped onion. Let it become brown. That is the technique of this masala. See, I have added the ginger garlic paste and the curds and little salt. Marinating this chicken and till the masala is fried well, let it be like this. Marinated chicken. Slow down the flame. When the onion is brown, add 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry it well. For 2-3 minutes till the masala smell goes. Add 1 country tomato chopped and 1 apple tomato pieces and fry it well. Mix it well till it becomes tender. Keep the flame at medium level from the low level. Now add the marinated chicken and then mix it well. Fry it for 5 to 7 minutes. Then add 100 ml of curd, which is well beaten. Thick curd, well beaten. Add 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of chili powder, as you like, your taste. But coriander should be added lesser than the chili powder. And little of turmeric powder. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Fennel powder, just half a teaspoon. Cumin powder, half a teaspoon. And mix it well. Pieces of cashew nuts are soaked for 10 minutes and 4 coconut pieces are taken and made a paste of it. See, we have not added the water, but see, the water has come out. Mix it well. See, the I have not added the water. The water is released from the chicken and now it is almost cooked. But anyway, I am going to add little water to it so that the masala smell goes. And I have to add the Punjabi paste now along with the pudina and also the coriander leaves. Now let it cook for say 3 minutes at low flame. Adding the paste of coconut and cashew nut. It is a Punjabi highlight. Adding the water. Now mix it well. Pudina, then coriander leaf. Let it cook for 3 minutes till the smell is absorbed by the gravy. Then we keep it for 20 seconds for simmering and then serve with chapati, paratha, semia and even with the rice. Let it cook for 2 minutes at low flame. Sprinkling little pepper powder. Now I am keeping it for simmering for 20 to 30 seconds. Now the Punjabi tasty curry is ready to take. Very tasty, yummy, easy for beginners, bachelors and even for all. Hope you may all like it, enjoy it and then take care of yourself. This is having badam, that is other nuts etc. and curds in it. It will subside the heat. Now it's ready to serve. It will be very tasty, nutritious and healthy recipe of Punjabi side and you will enjoy it and take care.